Good morning to the community of Divisions. This is Olorunlolu and one of the many voices of TBC, an economic developer. Yeah, this morning I want us to reflect on God's love. God's love. God is the one that first loved us. He created us into this world for His purpose. For His purpose. And He make everything easy by providing all we need to achieve and to fulfill that purpose on this planet Earth. God created the abundance that we all can see. The firmament, the vegetations, the animals, the sea animals, the aquatics, the reptiles, everything. He created them all in abundance. And He now make man the head of them all. So that we should subdue and dominate upon them all. Suffice to mention that we have the ability to live life to the fullest. Yeah, we have the ability to live life to the fullest. And don't forget, beneath the ground, we have a lot of natural resources that God has deposited in all these lands for the use of mankind, so that mankind will not lack, so that mankind will have abundance to live. But you know what? Because of the evil in the heart of some men, they commandeer a lot of things and make life miserable for humanity. God did not create lack. God did not create insufficiency. No, God did not create it. So that's why we thank God for the emergence of the billion coin. This is a community that does and talks about abundance. And when God loves, it shows it by giving it out. And that is why sharing of our single gifts is one of the ways by which we can show love to mankind. Show love to them. Let them come and enjoy the abundance that we have gotten, the abundance that has been acquired unto us. We are in this community. We thank God for the move. We thank God for the daily progression in the community. We have the abundance. Yeah, we have the abundance. We need to do a little work to bring it to full manifestation. Yes, we need to get to our full economy fast. And how can we achieve that? By sharing the abundance to all. How many people have you talked to about this abundance in this course of this week? Today is Friday. I urge you and I challenge you all. Let's go out, either online or so physically. Let's go and bring in a lot of people by sharing this abundance today, so that we all can enjoy a better life that God has prepared for mankind. Don't forget, from everything, start from your warm referrals, start from your household. Ensure that every one of your household member have gotten this abundance. They have gotten the part of their own share of this abundance, and then extend it to every other people near and around you. We have the abundance. Let's share it to humanity, and let us make this world a better place. Farming difficulties is you know is something else in the land. Everywhere the state of poverty is much. We need to put an end to it fast. So this morning, just charging us. Let us go out and show other mankind the love of God. Let us love them. We love ourselves. We are enjoying our community. So let us bring them in to come and enjoy the blessings we are enjoying in this community for a better tomorrow. God bless you. Thank you. Like and share this broadcast. Abundance is what God has given to mankind.